हज़रात, बड़ी खुशी होती है कि जब इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ने वाले बच्चे भी मज़हब की तरफ काफ़ी माइल होते हैं। इसी सिलसिले में लामार्टिनर कॉलेज के हमारे एक नौजवान हैं मोहम्मद अली काजिम से गुजारिश है कि तशरीफ़ लाएं, बारगाह इमामत में अपने वर्ल्ड के ज़रिए सवाब हासिल करें। नारे सलवात।
मैं आप सबको इस जश्न की मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सलामुन अलैकुम। First of all, I want to thank Mr. Ali Azam Muswi Sahab and Mr. Misam Rizvi Sahab to provide such a wonderful platform to express my feelings for Maula Abbas. What Janabe Harun was for Janabe Musa, or Hazrat Ali for Rasool Khuda, Janabe Abbas was for Imam Hussain. But if the zenith of loyalty has to be given a name, no better name fit in except of Hazrat Abul Fazl Abbas Alamdar. The only wish of Hazrat Ali from Allah is to get a son who should reflect his bravery and courage, and his wish was granted in the most befitting manner, and the result of it was Maula Abbas. His personality was multifaceted. His tall structure and even taller strength of character was recognized by the title of Khamare Bani Hashim, or the moon of the clan. From the childhood, the desire and conviction to serve his brother is very well known by the fact that he always addressed Imam Hussain alayhi salam with the title of Akha instead of brother. The usual belief is that if anyone is good in military skills, lacks excellence in other field, but this wasn't the case of Janabe Abbas. Compassion, piousness, forgiveness all ran together in his elite character. He was a brother who loved to be called as slave by his Akha and was a bodyguard to him throughout his life. His unique status can be understood from the point of view that he was a central character in the family, the brave son, a loyal brother, a loyal uncle, and the protector of the whole family. This made him a unique choice for the flag bearer of Imam Hussain, handful army of the Blessed One. His loyalty was evident till the last drop of his blood and the last breath. Mir Anis described him with unique words, and they are really befitting on him and are memory of Ali, the adorned companion, lion-hearted and a unique among millions. Thank you.